ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂತ. ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 53. ಯಾವ ಊರು ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ಬಳಗೆರೆ ಸರ್, ವರ್ತೂರು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ
ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್,
ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್.
Oh, very good. In this industry since how long?
Past 20 years.
20 years. So now you are taking miracle drinks for diabetes mellitus for the last 3 months.
Yes.
So in this regard, you tell me what is your experience?
It was a total change.
How?
I was in the darkness, now I am in the light.
How you are going to say that?
Yes.
Justify it, you tell me.
Firstly, there is this positivity in me, which is a real strength in anybody. So that positivity has increased, and my strength has increased. And there are a little bit of blurriness in the vision. Now I don't have any blurriness in the vision. I am able to ride my scooter fast, able to drive my car fast. These are the things.
How old you are now?
I am 53.
53 is nothing. So that means before these medications like that you are...
I had issues like this, which were really hampering my regular course of things.
Life.
And normally in the evenings I used to be tired. But right now I am not at all tired. I am just as good as early from the bed. The same factors are there in the evening also. Freshness is there.
I think the same thing, that Davanam Jewelries, owner also, Mr. Arish was saying. He's also had sugar, so he also used to tell the same thing what you are saying. So wonderful. I am very happy because why I am taking these testimonials, in the world, those who are suffering from this type of problems, they should have the ray of good life. So otherwise, they think that this is the end.
And the end comes even faster.
Like that.
The psychology, it will take lead and it will kill. That is the thing. So the hope and positivity is very important. That is great. And like I've seen so many people, but you are much above a human being.
No.
I got a great regard for you. This is maybe after 3 or 4 months I'm able to meet you. I could not meet you all these days.
So that means you have tried to meet me.
Yes, sir. Yes. And next course, I just want to bring my wife, who is bedridden and recovering from tuberculosis.
You just don't worry. Don't worry. Even she doesn't require to come over here.
Okay, sir.
So now itself I will give the prescription to her.
Yes.
And also I will advocate that what this medications, in what way she has to take, that protocol and all I will give you. So no need to bother about it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.